To add multiple products to your Shopify store in bulk using a CV file, follow these steps. From your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Products in the left-hand menu. Click on the Import button. Click on the Choose File button and select the CV file that contains your product information. Click on the Upload File button to begin the import process. If there are any errors with the import, you will be alerted and given the option to download a CZ file with the errors highlighted. Correct the errors in your original CV file and re-upload it. If there are no errors, your products will be imported and added to your store.